Part 2 of our Nerf gun video series. Here we have Oliver Hayden presenting to us part of his Nerf gun arsenal, the remainder of the guns which we did not review yesterday. Take it away, Oliver.
Okay, this.
And here we have Madeline.
Strike. So, if you want accurate bullets, you can put them in the front, or you can take out the regular Nerf Elite bullets and put them in. And since it has two ways to shoot, you can shoot mega bullets down here. So you pull this back until you hear a click, and then you can shoot. And if you want to shoot these bullets, make sure the switch is up here. If you want to shoot the mega bullets, make sure the switch is down here.
Oh, very neat.
And I would recommend this gun because it does not get jammed. Though in the winter, if you buy it in the winter, I don't recommend it because all the bullets start popping out here.
They shrink and fall out, huh?
Yeah.
What gun do you have there, Madeline?
It's the Mega Big Shock that holds an extra bullet up here that you can take out and put back in.
That seems like a perfect gun for someone who likes to sneak up on people and shoot them. Oh! Ow!
I did that to you several times yesterday.
I know.
Yeah, especially in the video.
You gotta watch out for Madeline. She'll shoot you during the video creation. Alright, what gun do you have next, Ollie?
Well, let's go on with this gun, the Recon CS6. I told you guys a little bit about that. Though this would be like almost impossible to find in markets because that gun was one of the first Nerf guns they ever made.
They don't make it anymore, huh?
No, because that's in the Recon series.
Oh, okay.
The newest series is the Active Strike. And the Active Strike, I won't recommend you do it if you're trying to shoot somebody far away, because that doesn't shoot very far.
Okay.
But it's pretty accurate. It stays on the line.
Okay. Up close, it's pretty accurate, huh?
So, I think I've done all of the guns over here.
Okay.
So, here.
It's very hard for me to get down.
Okay, I think you guys reviewed most of the guns on this wall, except perhaps maybe the small gun next to the Rebel.
We haven't done the double strike.
Okay, what is this one?
Double strike is basically a revolver. You pull that down and pull the trigger. But if you decide not to shoot, you can pull it all the way down, pull the trigger, and set it back up.
Oh, I think real guns do that.
This gun is the Cyclone Shot. This is Dad's gun.
Oh, I like that one too.
Same as the Stronger in Mega version. So, I'd recommend this gun. It has very, very good performance, and it has a cool look. It's never really gotten jammed before.
It's very reliable, right?
Yeah, I rely on this.
How far does it shoot? It shoots pretty far?
Yeah, it shoots. It's probably like the fourth or fifth gun that shoots.
That looks like a good gun.
And then we have.
I think you reviewed all of them, guys.
Yeah, I think so. Hold on. Checking.
Maybe the Elite, the small handgun. Did you review that? And then this Nerf Jolt.
Can I do the Jolt one?
Okay, Maddie can do the Jolt.
Here. Okay, so this is my newest gun. So recently I got this about 5 days ago, I think.
You got it for your birthday. The Brannigans gave it to you, right? Ooh, you shot me again, man.
Yeah, so it's the exact same as that. If you want want to modify any of these guns, I'd recommend you do it off of, I'd recommend you do it with your smaller guns, because with your Mastodons, if you mess up with it, it costs like $75, and I don't think you want to pay $75 and mess up on a modification.
That is true.
I'd say you start out with little guns.
I think that gun was on the right side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Alright, Maddie. What gun do you have there?
The jolt gun.
That looks like another perfect gun to sneak up on someone and shoot them. Like you've been doing. Alright, thank you guys. Awesome reviewers.
Yep.
Good.